This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano. And today, we're making eggplant parmesan, but we're making it the way my mother makes it. Please like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network, and let's make Mama proud.
Hey, go Bridgeside.
So before I prepare this, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. All right, so this is what we're gonna need in order to make my mother's eggplant parmesan. I got some cooking oil, some mozzarella cheese, some Parmesan Reggiano cheese, some breadcrumbs, some eggs, an eggplant, and some tomato sauce. So let's cut our eggplant, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them into circles, into round pieces.
Hey Dan, what type of eggplant is that? Usually, you know, they're a little bit longer than that.
This is a round eggplant. It's an ordinary eggplant. They come in different sizes. Some of them are long, some of them are round. It's a purple eggplant. I just peeled the skin off, okay? If you want, it's optional. You can leave the skin on if you'd like it. So there's purple eggplants and there's black eggplants. I don't discriminate, okay? Now, if you want to use the black skin eggplant, I'm gonna let you know it's a little more bitter. If you want a little secret, you cut it up and you leave it in water with a little bit of salt, and it kind of takes the bitterness out. Now, after all that said, let's go back to cutting the eggplant. You happy now? Give you a whole history on eggplants. All right, so let's crack these eggs. Let's beat these eggs. All right. And let's turn this flame on, pour that in.
What kind of oil is that?
Cooking oil, vegetable oil. So now we're gonna breadcrumb our eggplant, and then we're gonna fry the eggplant. So let's take our eggplant, egg the eggplant, throw it right in the breadcrumb, get it on both sides, and then we're gonna throw it right into the oil. Grab another piece, repeat. You get the idea. And these are only gonna take maybe a few minutes. Turn around, you can see it browning already. All right, so these are done frying. Let's take these out. I'm gonna place them right here on a paper towel. Let's grab another paper towel. I'm gonna put that right on top. Let's grab our baking pan, put it right over here, uncover the eggplant.
That was like a nice unveiling right there.
It was beautiful, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some of this tomato sauce that's been sitting here patient, just like David. And we're gonna add some right to the pan. Spread it out like you're making a pizza. Then we're gonna grab our eggplant and we're gonna throw it right over the sauce.
I like how you don't put that much sauce in there.
No, you don't need that much, just so that the eggplant doesn't stick. Then we're gonna grab our sauce again, and we're gonna put just a little sauce on each one of these eggplants. Now we're gonna grab our mozzarella, and we're gonna layer it right over the sauce.
It's like the icing on the cake.
You're right. So let's grab a spatula, and we're gonna take each one of these eggplants, and we're gonna make it almost like it's a little sandwich.
You're building buildings over here, stacking them.
And last but not least, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of the Parmesan cheese right on top.
Make that cheese rain.
It wouldn't be eggplant Parmesan without the Parmesan.
That's the sprinkles on top of the icing.
Got the whole 9 yards now, Dave. Now we're gonna put our eggplant into the oven, and we're gonna wait. It should take about 20 minutes. Oh, it's ready, Dave. It's
Thank
ready.
God.
Oh, that looks good. Look at that mozzarella. Now you're gonna get a little upset, Dave, but we gotta let this sit for a minute. It's gotta settle in, it's gotta bind together. It's almost like when you make a lasagna. So if I scoop it up, it's gonna be a little messy. So just another minute, okay?
Most of you who don't know, Danny and I are childhood friends.
Unfortunately.
I've been going over this kid's house and eating since I'm a little kid. It's one of his mom, Rosa Milano's, best dishes that she makes. And this is actually the first time I'm trying it from Danny, so you have a pretty stiff competition there.
We're getting there. It's not there yet, but we're getting there. Let's dish out this eggplant. Mamma mia, eggplant parmigiana, mama style. Dave, buon appetito, and let the judging begin.
Thank you, sir. That's how you know it's good. You don't even need a knife.
I didn't cook you a steak, David. It's eggplant.
You're definitely your mother's son, because definitely tastes like Rosa Milano's dish. It's really good. I like that there's not a lot of sauce. It's not drowning in the sauce. So you get the nice taste between the eggplant and the sauce, the cheese. This is so good. Your mama would be very proud. Thank you, Miss Milano.
And proud she is. Thank you very much for watching. Let us know how it comes out. I hope you try it. And remember, everybody can make a good eggplant parmesan, but nobody makes it better than my mother.
Go Bridgeside.
Remember, don't ever throw the oil down the drain. It's not good for the environment.
Piece of
David,
fried right
disgusting. David, you're gonna burn your hands. Disgusting.
That's so good.